I'm Michael with OrthoPro, and we enjoy the opportunity to support our community members that help others that have special needs, especially the children. Today we're at Gemstone Adaptive Climbing, and we're learning how the benefits of doing this activity help not only the children, but the volunteers are helped, as well as the parents.
I am the parent of Hannah Miller. She has been climbing here for 2, maybe 3 years. She started out very apprehensive and not wanting to go very high up or get very far at all. And her confidence and the encouragement that she has gotten in this atmosphere has been amazing. She refuses to leave here now until she's gone all the way up to the top of the wall at least 3 times every single time we're here. She considers it a challenge and just something that she likes taking on every single week. Hannah has a very tight muscle tone in her arms especially, so coming here just allows that stretching and that increased mobility for her arms to be able to do other daily activities that she would like to do. Gemstone is a great atmosphere. It teaches kids so many things. It helps with mobility and flexibility, muscle strength. It helps boost confidence, giving the kids something, another activity to do outside of their daily routine or their daily therapies that is challenging and different.